But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl, dear. Yeah, guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Remember, follow my Instagram. It's DOfficial. DOfficial. That's the name of my Instagram. Follow my Instagram. So, as I was saying before, a lot of people, small YouTubers, are still confused as in how to get themselves to 100 subscribers when they just started out their channel. So I have a few tips. This can also take you to the 1,000 subscribers. As long as you continue doing it over and over and over and over, you will eventually hit your goal. So the first tip that I have for you guys is you can screenshot your YouTube channel, your YouTube page, and send it to your contacts. So you know that everybody's supposed to use WhatsApp, right? And WhatsApp is probably one of the easiest ways to get your channel out there, because WhatsApp is now allowing us to paste the link itself. So instead of posting the whole photo, you can just take your link down from your page and you can post your link on your WhatsApp story. So that is an easy way to get it out there. You can also, as I said before, screenshot the entire page, like screenshot your page and just post it on your WhatsApp and ask your WhatsAppers to go click the link and watch the video that you have recently posted. Now, some of them are a little bit dim, and that's the reason why you're supposed to have people in your life that actually care about you, that will actually support you. I'm gonna get into that a little bit more as the video goes on. Don't drop asleep on me. Please remember, watch the video to the end. Do not drop asleep on me. You know? All right. Number 2 is send your links to your family members and ask them to share and repost. Now, this is pretty straightforward. It is self-explanatory. The thing about it is, you're not supposed to beg your family member for share it. They're supposed to be happy to share it for you, because at the end of the day, like, we family, we blood. So you finna be down for me or I'ma block you. It's that simple. If you're not riding with me and you're not riding for me, then I'ma just cut you off. It's that simple. Now you have some people with them share links where you have to go through other people to help them. I'm like, that's the craziest part. I hate that, but that's another story for another video. But anyways, guys, yeah, the second one is share your link to your family members and ask them to share and repost it. And if they don't want to do it, get rid of them. They're not your family blood. But you go to a road, go build a whole family for yourself, because the family that you create sometimes is usually the one that sticks up for you, with you, and by you whenever you need them. Okay? Yeah. So that is number 2. Now let's go to drumroll people, 3. Number 3 is if you have real friends. I said it. Yeah. If you got real friends / supporters, because you don't know it go. If you have real friends / supporters, you can make a fan group that will share your links. Now, a fan group is, if you have WhatsApp, again, I think Instagram and Snapchat allows you to make groups too. I'm not really sure, because I don't use Instagram groups and I don't use Snapchat groups, because to me they're a little bit corny. You don't know who is who. But on WhatsApp, you get to handpick the persons that you want to put in the group. So you can also start up a fan group on your WhatsApp. Like, some people are a little bit corny, so you don't want to give your number to too much people. So it's always better to use real people in your life that you know will eventually, like, actually share your links. So you can use people like your friends of friends and stuff like that. Build a WhatsApp group and ask them to share your links to their contacts. So each person in that group is going to be obligated. It is going to be an obligation to share the links. You agreed to be in this group. You're obligated to share my links. Don't argue with me. Okay. Number 4. number four. This one is I got a cough like this one is the hard one. This one is like one of the one that is gonna take a lot of guts. Like you gotta have a lot of guts to do this one. To like see a random person and just walk up to them and be like, hey, like, can I borrow your phone, please? I'm finna subscribe to my YouTube. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit awkward because some people are gonna be like, oh, I don't have no credit, or oh, I don't use data. Oh, I don't use YouTube. Bitch, you don't have to use YouTube to subscribe. Okay, here. Anyways, yeah. So you can see random people in the streets and just ask them to subscribe to your channel, and eventually like you'll gain a new subscriber and you can also gain a new friend. So that too is another good way to do that. It's like it's gonna take a lot out of people because some people shy, but it's a good way. All right. Next point, you need. This is a need to do. You need to do promotions. Like, it's a must. You gotta do promotions. Like, you gotta pay people to do promotions. People that are already popular, people that are already famous, people that already have a platform. Like, you want to be seen by people that never knew who you were before. So those people are probably gonna be curious enough, like you gotta make them curious enough to want to come to your page and check it out. So you gotta have people that makes you get out there because they're famous and they're popular, and as them post something, people are gonna gravitate to it. So you gotta pay for promotion. You gotta put money where you want money, guys. Period. We don't talk. Yeah. The next one is you can run competitions on your page. So like for your YouTube, you can say, oh, hey, I'm giving away like $50 and all you got to do is subscribe to my YouTube, send me a screenshot that you've subscribed, ask 3 persons to subscribe, and tell them 3 persons to send you the screenshot when they have subscribed, and you send it to me, so that will be like 4 subscribers. And if you qualify, then you'll get like $50 US. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, it's pretty fast. You can do that, and you'll gain your subscribers. As I said, I'm giving you tips on how to reach your first 100 subscribers, and this can take you to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, a million, thousand. You know what I'm trying to say? Is there such thing as a million thousand, by the way? I don't even know. But the next one is, right, broadcast list. Broadcast list is also a WhatsApp thing. But you have very selfish people in your phone, so then again you gotta be selective. Like me, I remember when I made my broadcasting list, I was like, yo, if I send you a message, it's a broadcast, and if you don't want to be in my broadcast and you ask me to take you out, I'm gonna take you out, and then I'm finna block you, because obviously you're not supporting me, you're not my friend, and if I cannot send you a link and you go watch it, then I'ma block you, plain and simple. And when I said that, everybody was like, oh, Ray. I was like, boo, 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 boo. I'm finna block you. I cannot send you my stuff. I'ma block you. It's that simple. So yeah, it's kind of bossy, but it's also a good way to get some subscribers. Okay, self-promotion. That's number 8. Self-promotion is one of the biggest things. You gotta promote yourself. You cannot make a YouTube page today, sit down and think that, oh, it is gonna gradually grow overnight. It doesn't work like that. You gotta self-promote. You gotta put yourself out there. You gotta post your links. Post your links in every single social media platform that you have. Post your links. Again, it goes back to paying for promotion, because you can pay people to post your links also. But self-promotion is the biggest of them all. You got to promote yourself daily, like every single day. Like, remind people, because remember, you can post a link today, somebody overlook it today. You post it tomorrow, them overlook it again. You post it, them overlook it again. But you can post it like a month from today, keep posting. And then the same person that was overlooking it all along be like, oh my God, why she keep posting this? Let me see what it is, you know? So self-promotion is very big. It's very, very big. Don't forget that. Another thing is sub for sub. Like, you can just link people, link random YouTubers, small YouTubers, and be like, hey, sub for sub. I mean, like, if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you. No. I cannot make a video like that because YouTube, it's against YouTube guidelines. Please do not delete my video. Yeah, so I don't know what gonna done talk about the part there, kind of now gonna mix me up. Use hashtags, guys. When you're posting your videos on Instagram, like use hashtags like small YouTubers, I vlog, you know, stuff like that, because and then you gotta like scroll up and type in for the recent ones, so you will know, like you can DM people and be like, hey, like you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe back to you, I'll watch your videos, you watch my videos, it goes vice versa. So guys, I really hope that you guys liked this video. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope at least one of my tips can help somebody's page to improve. I love you guys so. It hit me. Oh my God. I love you guys so much. I really appreciate the love that you guys are showing to me. I really appreciate y'all. I pray that God will continue to bless you guys. And I pray that you guys will watch this video to the end. Do not skip anything out. Watch it to the end. Do not skip nothing out. I am dead serious. I love you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Mwah.